Yo, what's up? It's your girl TK. Peace, love, joy, prosperity, and infinite abundance. All that good stuff. And let me grab my phone before it tries to hop off the sink, okay? So, you guys, in today's video, I want to go over a few of my favorite health self-care tips. So, if you don't already know, Takia Talk is about personal development, and that's on all aspects of our life, baby. So, you can't really be out here, practicing love if you're not loving yourself and caring for yourself first. So, some of the ways I like to practice self-care are with my skin and hair routines. And I love organic things. I love things that are all natural, chemical free, and those tend to be the items that are the least expensive to buy, and how ironic is that they actually work better than the ones that cost a lot of money. So let's stop wasting our pretty dollars on products with pretty labels, pretty names that really are not even really good for us. This right here is some avocado blended with a banana, a little bit of honey, raw honey, and what else? Some fresh water, of course. And yeah, avocados, banana, honey, a little bit of water, and you're on your way to some really moisturized, silky hair. So, what is going on with me? I didn't already started the process, and I was like, I always do this process, and then I always be like, ooh, I should have recorded, I should have shared the idea with them. Like they don't already know. But some of you guys actually don't really, know all there is to know about the all natural do-it-yourself life. And let me just tell you, baby, it's lit. Cause do you see my hair? Don't even start that. Oh, I already know what type of texture hair you got, this and that. This texture hair, baby, is a OC4B. Anyways, let's get into the back. Moisturized for days. Don't play. And look at this up here. Dry. Now, I believe in putting a little bit of water on your hands, shake it a little, and throw that on in there, okay? Just to let your hair know what's gonna go down. Then take a nice little section. Let's do this one. Just so I can show y'all that. And woo. We're gonna get a little bit of this. And we're gonna put it in our hair. Okay? We're gonna put it in our hair. I think I have a little helper in the corner laughing. Come here. That's my daughter Aaliyah, guys. She is so funny. It's so cute. Would you like a little bit of avocado? I'm gonna put a little bit in her hair on her puff ball. There you go.
Thank you for water.
See you in a minute.
Thank you for fresh fruit.
So?
Thank you for fresh vegetables.
She always tends to laugh at my projects.
Thank you for my heart.
Little does she know.
Thank you for my
She
good.
starts to love them.
Thank you for my healthy.
She's going to love them.
Thank you for my healthy.
We are smoothie gang, guys, so the stuff that I put in my hair, sometimes most likely I can actually make a smoothie and eat it. Like, have you ever had avocado, banana, and blueberry smoothie?
Thank you for my
It's good. It's good. But as you can see, that section was just standing up, doing what it wanted to do. And I made it lay down.
Thank you for a healthy appetite.
Not only did I get it
Thank you for
moisturized and conditioned, because you can put conditioner in your hair, but let's face it, if it's not bringing about certain results, what's the point, right?
Thank you for financial.
Let me just push the door up a little bit.
Thank you for financial success.
My affirmations are really loud in the background, so excuse me for that, guys, if it tends to be a bit distracting. That is a part of my self-care routine as well, is practicing the power of positivity with self. The things you think, the things you say on a regular basis really matter. Okay. I feel like this side is the one that's going to be giving me a hard time, so let's see how this goes. Got a nice handful. Just gonna smack it on to my root. Ooh, that feels so good when it hits your scalp. I feel sorry for you, sister, if you out here getting a freaking relaxer or a perm and thinking, oh, I'm gonna look so good, just girl, you are missing out on a real scalp treatment. Ooh. And even if you got a relaxer in your head, you can still do this. You can still do this. If you're transitioning, awesome. You can still do this. I remember transitioning at first, and let me tell you, I learned so much. If you really want your hair to grow, you gotta stay away from heat, and you gotta stay away from chemicals. You gotta stay away from those relaxers. You gotta do your research. You don't want that formaldehyde. You don't want chemicals in your head. You don't want a car tire in your head. Quit. Okay, look. Oh, we're making some progress. Ooh. Look at this treetop on my hand. What tree you is? I'm gonna tell y'all what tree I wanna be. I'm a bamboo. Y'all ever seen a bamboo with leaves like this? Oh, matter of fact, I'll be a cherry oak. I love me some cherry oak wood. So pretty on the floor. But don't get it wrong, y'all. I'm an environmentalist. I don't believe in just cutting down things and hurting animals just for fame and fortune and fashion. I ain't really with that. That is the way of this world, and we are in the world, but we do not got to be of it. Okay? So I'm just quickly moving through these sections here. Ooh, y'all heard that snap? That right there was a definite sign that I need to trim my hair. That is my next step after this. And I'm surprised. I had ran into a female the other day, and she was just telling me how gorgeous my afro was, and I was like, yeah, girl, but I'm finna have to straighten it out a little bit so I can see the length and trim it. And she was just like, you trim your own hair? And I'm like, I got to, because I was traumatized, when I was in 8th grade. Went to a freaking hair salon right around luncheon time, or it was before graduation, around luncheon time, and let's just say she was too happy with those scissors, because I didn't intend to go in there one way and then come out another, okay? And I was just like, I'm over this. I ain't trying to hear that my hair needed to be cut and this and that. I know my hair didn't need to be cut that much. I was so hurt. And so, yeah, I had to let my hair grow back and all of this and that. And it grew back fast over the summer before high school started, whatever. It was a nice length, but yeah. I was just like always doing my own hair since I was about, 10 or 11. I would do my own hair, because if my parents had to work and I wanted to look cute and my hair hadn't been braided already, I would go ahead and do it myself. And I got really good with braiding hair to the point that people would pay me to do their hair, grown-ups, and I was a kid making money. So yeah, to this day, I'm kind of like not really the type of person to just want people to do my hair. I like to do my own hair. But I understand, I understand the power of pampering yourself and allowing somebody else to take care of those things for you. Sometimes it's okay if you can really trust that person. Now, if you ain't really got a lick of hair on your head, or you're not working with the texture or the amount the type I am, I'm not gonna lie, sorry, I might be a little biased, okay? Might not be so quick to let you in my head, sis or bro, because some of you guys know how to do hair too. I don't discriminate. But I love being able to do my own hair. That is one thing that I kind of take enjoyment in. I really do. It's really a big, huge part of my self-care. Now, certain things like, you know, getting my toes cleaned and the dead skin and all the cuticles and all that together. Oh, yes, I appreciate a good spa day. Oh, yes, I do. I appreciate a good day to the nail shop with the ladies. So that's what we're working with so far on that side. And we're going to keep on sectioning this off. Jeez, my hair is thick, right? This is what happens when you decide that you really like how those wigs play out. When you got somewhere to go and it's just like, hey, boop. And it really becomes a thing for a minute. And it benefited me. It's benefiting me still. Because ain't no shame in my game, baby. One day I might look like this. The next day you'll see me. And by the end of the month, I've been in here 3 or 4 different hairstyles. And ain't no shame in my game, baby. I'm Team Gemini. I'm Team Free. I like to do different things. Okay. But I am getting to a point where I want more of my life standardized, or how would you put it? I want it to be where it's like I'll wear a hairstyle longer than usual. It's like having order, a little bit more order, and not so much randomness. You know, that type of thing.
I am healthy. I am wealthy.
But either way, it's completely healthy self-expression that I'm doing here, people. Oops. I didn't spill some of my avocado. I want to do that. Okay, y'all. It tastes good too, so don't mind me.
I am joyful.
We are done here, okay, guys?
I am strong.
Let's get that together.
I am powerful.
They look a little poofy.
I am tenacious.
We are done here for just a second.
I am successful.
Now, if you want to take it a little extra step further, I would encourage you to get you some cholesterol. This brand is the ish. I love them. And nope, this one does not have the argan oil in it. But let me tell you, baby, the original one is cool. But when they came out with that argan oil edition, baby, I could hang the towel up. That's my friend. That's my best friend. Look at that. Oh, when you put that cholesterol in there, it just adds the finishing smoothness touch. It's just a freaking hair smoothie, baby. It's a freaking hair smoothie, baby. I'm finna start selling these. I wonder what y'all buying. Comment below. Hair smoothie, and I promise you, I will get this going. That's all we need. They make it too difficult to be beautiful sometimes, ladies, and I'm telling y'all, it's simple. Oh, and it feels so good. It feels so good. Look at that. This is so relaxing. Whew. I'm so mad that I ain't been dated this week. You could do this about once or twice a month. Like this, baby. You are good to go.
I am a part of God. I am connected to the source.
Okay, baby. Let's get it. So now I'm just working it in, because I really want to see results, right? So I'll just keep working it in. The spots where it feels like it's a little thick, you want to get some more cholesterol. No worries if you don't have cholesterol, just use what's in the cabinet. If you got a hair mask, like try to make sure the conditioner is one of those thick kinds, okay? Even if it's just regular conditioner. Because what the goal is extreme moisture, baby. I'm talking about to the point that, sis, you can be confident in your own freaking hair. You can hang your wig up if you want to, okay? I'm talking about moisture where you waking up, sis, and you doing hairstyles you ain't even think you could do. Like, look at this high puff. Look at this high puff. Okay. And if you want to, your hair be so moisturized, you would split it right down the middle. Get you some little edge control. You're going to boop, boop, boop. And what you going to do, you're going to get you 2 cute puff balls going. Throw them eyelashes and that makeup on, and you have to go. We not playing no more, okay? It's not hard. It's simple. Now, ladies, I am out of conditioner. What does this mean? It means I'm about to wash my hands, y'all. And then I'm finna tie a bag over my head. Because let's face it, those cute shower caps that we been investing our money in, we want to use it again. And it might not, you know, be as clean after if you put this type of stuff in your head and try to use it. It might not come clean. So just use a paper bag, so you'll be all good. Okay? And after I put this paper bag in my head, I'm about to wash my face, and I'm gonna come back and let y'all see how it glows, okay?